Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is having a great day. It's a nice sunny hot day still here in Florida, so I hope your day is nice wherever you are. Alright, I am using an 11 by 14 canvas. I have some different blues today. I'm just going to go ahead and get started. This blue here is from the Fine Touch. It's just called blue, and then it also has a little bit of Liquitex Basics Prussian blue. I just wanted to darken it up just a touch. This is teal from the Fine Touch also. I'm just putting my colors down kind of just random and not really in any particular order. This one here is Liquitex Basics Prussian blue. It's such a nice, pretty dark blue. And again, no real rhyme or reason to how I'm putting the paints on. This one here is a metallic blue. It's from Folk Art and it's called Ice Blue. It's got a real soft, pretty pearl metallic-y look to it. And I'm using a couple different whites also. I am just using Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. Here you'll see just a few different areas that I'm using that. And then all of those colors are mixed with Floetrol and water only. No silicone has been added to any of my paints that I'm using today. The white that you will see me add here to the middle in a sec is from Amsterdam, and it is titanium white. And the way that I mix that is 1 teaspoon of the Amsterdam titanium white to 3 tablespoons of Floetrol, and then I do add a little bit of water to thin it out a bit. Also, I did not add any wood conditioner to the white. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. This time I didn't because I wanted to see how it would react, because I have one metallic paint and then the rest is regular. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it turns out good. And you see that I am swiping with a wet paper towel this time. Looks pretty good. Those cells look like they're developing quite nicely. So I'm going to let you guys go so you can finish watching this develop. Before I do, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And for those of you that already subscribed, thank you so much. All right, I'll be back in a jiff. Alright, so here we go with the dried photos, and I am super happy with how it dried. You can see that the cells did continue to develop, especially in the middle. It kind of closed up that white through the center, so I love it. I hope you guys do too. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. Also, please share this video if there's someone that you think may enjoy it. And I also have a bunch more videos that I know you will love, so I will catch you in the next one.